Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make freeze frame video on Capcut. Without further ado, let's get started. Now here I have my video, and what you're going to do is select the part that you want and then find the freeze option. This one, and as you can see, it will pause or freeze our video just like that. Now if you want, you can adjust that. Now you can also delete that. Let's do it again. Select the part that you want and then select your video. Now go to freeze, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.